Friday night in New York, around 10 p.m., John is sitting at the bar, binge drinking tequila. To his luck, a beautiful blonde sits just next to him. He initiates the conversation and asks for a drink. She says yes. After a couple of hours of hobnobbing, they get cozy. They go inside the room. It was a lovely night for John. She was as tall as John, around 6 foot 5 inches. Wow. John was really excited. Next morning, John wakes up with the most horrible accident of his life. He finds that his one kidney is gone. Wow. He wakes up with his one kidney missing. After the investigation, John finds that the girl was from the international kidney racket. You know, don't be the slave of your emotions. Think before you act. John should have learned this. Okay, in this small anecdote, I've used 3 strategies of storytelling. 3 strategies. First, time and place marker. What I said in the beginning, Friday night in New York, 10 p.m. Time and place marker. We humans think in visuals first, and as a public speaker, this is your duty to take your audience along with you in your journey. So time and place marker in the beginning so that they could feel the atmosphere. What are you trying to say? So start your story. Try starting your story with time and place marker. Then second strategy I used, conflict. Human brain loves conflict. That's why we watch suspense thrillers, right? John wakes up next morning with one kidney missing. Wow, great conflict. Where the hell is John's kidney? People love conflict. Third, specific details. People say, I saw a very tall girl. You can try by giving specific details. As I said, humans, we think in visuals first. We are programmed for stories. For over 100,000 years, we have been using stories. All the cultures, every culture, I must say, has used a story. Specific detail. She was 6 foot 5 inches tall. So remember these 3 strategies. Time and place marker. Because your audience, they love to go there along with you. Second, conflict. We humans love conflict. That's why we watch suspense thrillers. Third, specific details. Remember, we think in visuals first. If you're a fantastic storyteller, you can give wonderful presentations. Good luck.